So this video is a demonstration of how I might use the listening activities in the tablet textbook. So I've selected page 11 of the textbook, which is in Unit 1B. It's about family and children in particular. We've begun today by looking at various words describing personality, like jealous, sociable, responsible, sensitive. These are all words that we've practiced the pronunciation for, and the students should be familiar with them. So the actual listening activity is to listen to an expert who's talking about what kind of child has what kind of personality. Oldest children, middle children, youngest children, and only children have different types of personality according to the expert. So before they do any listening at all, I would of course get them to do some brainstorming, perhaps in pairs or in groups, and think about which type of child has which type of personality. And when they've done that, given them 5 minutes, maybe elicit some answers. So who is the most responsible? And maybe they tell me that they think the oldest child is the most responsible. So at this point I would demonstrate for the students how you input the answer into the tablet. They're writing in pen on their books or in their photocopies. So how do you do it on a tablet? You click on the box underneath the type of child, and you would type in the word responsible. Done. So this is the way that you input the thing. And I'd only elicit maybe a couple of these words and input them here. Not all of them, because that would take too long. Just do responsible, sensitive. But then I might elicit the other words just verbally. So who is the most talkative? And they would tell me. Don't write it in here. So once you've demonstrated how this works, it's time to listen to the expert. So I would go up to where the link is, which is in the middle here, number 27, and I would click on the link. I'll just deliberately do something wrong though. If I click now,
1.27.
What's happening is that the sound is actually coming out from the speaker in the projector, which is a very bad speaker, very poor speaker. Nobody can hear the text. So what we need to do is we need to properly connect the real speaker. I've forgotten to plug it in. So this is not a problem. You can do it very easily after you've started. If you make a mistake or if you forget, plug it in now. And now I press play and nothing happens. Why? I've plugged the speaker in. This is because the speaker is confused. It doesn't recognize the tablet yet. So what I need to do is I need to stop the audio that I started earlier. Close it completely. Now if I start the audio again,
1.27.
a nice clear, loud version of the speaker speaking is coming from the speaker instead of from the projector. You must stop and start the audio again for the speaker to begin working. So we all listen to the speaker, we listen to the expert, and they write down in their books what the correct answers are. Once they've done that, I might ask groups to get together or individuals to get together and compare their answers. While they're doing that, I might disconnect again, take the tablet and give it to a group of students and ask them to input their answers onto the tablet. So they are busy typing away while everybody else is talking about what they wrote down, what their answers were. When this group is finished, I take back the tablet, thank you very much. I plug everything in again, and we should be able to look at the answers that they wrote down. Oh, if I can plug it in, I'm having some problem. Okay, so bringing up the answers. I've only got the one because I already wrote down the one. Here are the answers that the students got, and then we would elicit what the other students thought. Are these correct? And once we're happy that these are close or correct, perhaps we would now listen again.
1.27.
Check the answers
1.27.
and find out what they, whether they're correct. And that's it.